Hello guys, this is Versus53 and welcome back to my channel. This is the Blender Essential series and I'm going to be teaching you how to install Blender on your PC. There's going to be multiple ways and I've dropped down the essential links in the description, so just feel free to go there and download Blender from there and stay on the video if you do want some help. So guys, let's get started with the first method on how to install Blender. So what you want to do is open your browser, be it Chrome, Mozilla or anything, just type in blender.org and that's going to take you to the Blender website. Let it load and then just go here to the download button right here. Just go ahead and press download and then just go here and press download Blender. What this is going to do is download the Blender file for you automatically. I'm just going to go and download it. I already have it downloaded from here before. And it's gonna be 332 MB, so just be sure that it downloads in one go. It might take a while, might take you 10 minutes or something. Just go ahead and download that quickly and then we'll get started with the setup. So another method to install Blender is just go to the Microsoft Store on your PC if you're using Windows, or the App Store on the Mac if you're using a Mac. Just go ahead and search for Blender and there we go, we have Blender right here. So all you need to do is just go ahead, go to Blender and click on install, and that is going to install Blender on your PC for you. So that is another alternative. So guys, after done downloading Blender, the 332 MB installer file, what we're going to be doing is we're just going to be running the Blender file now. So just double click it and it's going to open the Blender installer, and just go ahead, press next and next, and it's going to automatically install it in the selected directory. And just give all the permissions, just go press yes on all of them and just hold on till it installs. It might take some time, but just be patient with it and it's going to install Blender on your PC for you. And right there, and Blender installation is complete and you successfully have Blender on your PC. So just go ahead to the next step of the installation now. So guys, as soon as the setup is done, just go ahead and open your Blender. So your Blender is going to be looking a little bit different than mine, like a few features here and just a few essential features that we're going to be changing in preferences. So for changing those features and getting my features on your computer, you can just go ahead and watch my video for the essential features and preferences, which is uploaded on the same channel, and I'll just enable a pop-up right here on the right. And to learn Blender modeling, I'm also doing a series on how to model a car in Blender, which is the Toyota Supra Mark IV, and it is going to be a very basic step-by-step guide on how to model the Toyota Supra Mark IV. So just go ahead and give that a look too. And all the best for Blender. Thank you for watching and happy creating.